Imagine writing a simple sentence and getting a complete video in seconds with voice, visuals, and music, all done by artificial intelligence. Sounds unreal? In today's video, I'll show you the AI tools that can generate full videos from text, how they work, and how you can use them to create viral content, sell services, or build a YouTube channel without showing your face. Let's dive in. Text-to-video AI tools use machine learning to automatically turn your written scripts or ideas into videos. They handle everything: visuals, voiceover, background music, transitions, captions. You don't need to film anything, hire actors, or even speak. Here are the top 5 AI tools that can turn your text into a complete video instantly. Pictory AI. Paste your script, AI selects visuals plus adds voiceover. Great for Faceless YouTube videos, includes auto captions and branded templates, popular for creating YouTube animation videos. Invideo AI. Type your idea like top 5 gadgets 2025. It writes the script, finds footage, and builds a full video. Good for beginners, very fast. Hey Jen. Create videos with AI avatars and voice. Great for explainer videos or spoken person style content. It supports multiple languages and accents. Synthesia. Used by big brands for training, marketing, and education. Choose avatar, place script, choose tone, done. Very professional look. Runway ML Gen 2. Advanced tool that creates actual video scenes from short text prompts. Example, type a dog running in space. It makes a video clip from scratch. It's still experimental but mind-blowing. Here's how you can turn these AI tools into income in 2025 with no prior video skills. YouTube animation channels. Niche ideas: tech, motivation, travel, finance. Write a script, use Pictory or Invideo, upload faceless videos, earn via AdSense, affiliate links. Freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork. Offer a video creation service, charge $20 to $200 per video, target clients who need ads, explainers, or Instagram reels. Digital product promotion. Use AI to make promo videos for your own ebooks, courses, or software. Share on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. Affiliate marketing. Make review videos using AI tools. Promote AI software with your link. Earn passive commissions. Let me show you how fast this really works. And you don't need to edit anything manually. This is perfect for beginners or busy creators. But it has some pros and cons. The pros are fast and beginner friendly, no camera or mic needed, great for YouTube, Instagram, freelancing. And the cons are can look robotic without editing, may need manual tweaks, voiceover sometimes sound too AI. AI video tools are evolving fast. By the end of 2025, we might see realistic animated characters from simple text, personalized news videos, fully AI-generated future films. So, if you start now, you will be ahead of 99% of creators. If this blew your mind, imagine that else is coming. Which AI video tool are most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe for more AI tools, turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching and see you the next AI adventure.